السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. وقت عربية معايا سكودا فانتازيا، ده كنترولها. المفروض ان هي كانت مانوال وهنقلب اوتوماتيك. هو خلاص الاوتوماتيك ركب بس هنظبط السوفت. Hello all, now I'm having the car which is Skoda Octavia 1Z, and we changed the transmission. From manual transmission to automatic transmission. And here, if I switch the ignition on, you see here P blinks. If you scan the engine computer, gives error, software incompatibility with transmission control module. Here we need to flash with another file here. Instead of AK, we will flash with E or D 03C 906 016. Okay. The transmission fitted is 7-speed DQ 200. Okay, we'll need to adjust the flash here also. If you go to coding, as you see here, 72. 2 is for 6-speed manual transmission. We would need to edit it as 77 DSG 0M. If you try directly to go here to code that to 7, okay, and do it, the coding will be rejected because the flash is different. Coding 77. Okay, do it. Invalid software coding must be no because of that. Anyway, I tried that earlier and you can't just code with 77. I'll try to show you also. Coding rejected. Request out of range. Go back. So after that, the first thing I will do is I will make a backup first from the standard, this position or this situation. I will make a backup from the ECU in case of something went wrong with flashing. Then I will need to flash that ECU with a software that ends with E or D. Okay, I will come back again. Now I have here the ECU on the bench, and also I'm having FC200 connected it there. Then go to FC200 software. Okay, maybe Audi, doesn't matter. ECU Bosch. Then write that number 0261 here. 0261 S05 948. Then enter. Here you see MED17.5.5, like that. We will also need to choose TC1766. Then platform wiring. This is the wiring that we will use here. I will connect these and come back again. Now I connected everything here. Okay. Also the power there, like that. Then close and make sure that you have internet connection. Then identification. Chip is MED17.5.5 as I expected. Then read the flash. Go to test, new folder, 1Z, manual. Okay. Then inside it make a folder as original, manual. Then save it here. Then go to read P flash. Everything here, as you see. I know that this type of ECU, it is risky to flash it by OBD2 on car. You may have some errors, even if with Otis engineer or anything you want. So I recommend to make a backup first to be safe. At least you can go to the original state. Save. Go back. Then close. After that I will install it back on the car and flash it. Now I installed the ECU on the car back again, and now the car is running, and also connected this cable and opened Otis engineering software. Here if I click on identification, that's the identification of the original ECU. Try to raise the brightness, close, minimize. Here I copied some files that I will use on the desktop. Okay, go back again to engineering, ignition off, back on again. Okay, identification, I don't know why it take much time to identify it. Maybe because transmission identificates good. Go back to ECU. Now it's good. Close. Here we choose flash, local flash, desktop, that file, we'll choose that file. Okay, clear flash selection. Okay, local flash. Same problem. Close. Sorry, switch the ignition off and on again. Close. Identification. Close. Flash. Local. Last one. Okay, close, ignition off, on, flash, local, last one. Okay. With VCDS also, I got some errors to communicate with the ECU. I don't know the cause of that, but I will try to flash with VVDI2. Okay, I will come back again. And now I copied the files that I want to flash with here. Then close. And now I'm connecting to the OBD2, VVDI2, and USB is connected there. Choose Skoda. For sure you will need to turn the ignition on. Okay. Engine. Close. Identification. Okay, I will close to check. It should identify it fast than that. Maybe I have something wrong with CAN bus that makes that blinking. I think everything is okay. Read DTC. Okay. ECU flasher, open file from the desktop. Close. Here you need to choose SGO, that one. We choose normal, then update programming. Switch off, then on, off, on. Okay. I think it began. Notice here the time, because flashing with VVDI2 takes too much time than Odyssey engineering. Here you have 5 blocks. This bar is only for the first one. Now it began to write the flash file. I don't know how much time this specific control unit will take to be flashed, but anyway, just showed you the time here. And for that I will wait and leave the ignition on as it. You see there. We will wait for 5 blocks to be finished. Okay, wait and I will come back again. Now it's on flash block 5. Okay, it didn't take too much time. Success. Ignition off. Now it's off. On again. Notice here that P is stable. I think everything will be good, but I will exit here, read DTC, internal EEPROM error, pressure sensor for brake boost, clear, read, internal EEPROM error. This fault may be because we need to code it with 77. The coding is still 72. We need it to code it with 77. Then set, read code success, exit, read DTC, clear, read, still having the same error. Go to coding again, exit, exit. I will switch the ignition off and wait for some time. Close the door because I'm having some noise. I will close that because AK here, I want to communicate ignition on. I want to communicate with the engine again. Close E and coding 77. Read DTC, clear, read again. Now internal error gone. Read, gone. I think it will be because you need, after flash, you need to code, and it accepted coding 77, so I'm sure that flashing with E is for that transmission, which is DSG, and as you saw that P is stable now. Now the car is running. Read DTC again, circuit for brake vacuum pump and pressure sensor. Exit. Read DTC again. Everything is good. I didn't get software problem with the transmission or software incompatibility with the transmission anymore. Okay. Exit. Close. 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 Maybe I'm having everything too. After that, I will send the car because there is too much work to be done on it. Then I will see if I will flash the transmission and we will test the transmission behavior and all of these. Okay.